Hi, I'm Kristi Perikly and this is Tune Up Tuesday. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to use the Buildable Area tool. Let's get started.
When you have identified a parcel, select the Buildable Area button to open the tool. Choose the features you want to exclude on the left. In this example, we are going to examine the flood zones. And since they run through the property, we'll add a 10-foot buffer around them. Then we'll manually draw an area that we also want excluded from this run. Next, we choose the slope percent to include. We'll do 0 to 5 here to look for land that is relatively flat. Now we run the builder. Once the buildable area appears as a graphic, we can determine the area of the shape by right-clicking on the graphic and selecting Geometry. We can also quickly modify its appearance for further use from the Edit tab. All set.